There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was the Billy of Tea. The wind blew up her bow, it down below, my bully boys blow. Whoo! So one day the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the sun is done, we'll take a leave and go. She's not been 2 weeks from shore.